Ever marveled at someone who seems unfazed by chaos? Picture this: emails piling up, tensions high, deadlines collapsing. There they are, cool as a cucumber. It's not apathy, it's preparation. Today, you're going to learn how to make that calm your new normal. Let's dive into how you can reclaim your peace. First, let's get one thing straight. Your brain isn't malfunctioning when it panics. It's just outdated. Our brains are wired for a world where danger meant life or death. Nowadays, that danger might just be an unexpected question during a presentation. But your brain reacts as if it's a wild animal attack. That initial surge of adrenaline? That's not a flaw, it's biology. Now, here's the crucial part most overlook. Not every action directed at you is personal. The coworker who seemed to snub you? Probably just juggling too much. That irritated look from a friend? Likely not about you at all. We often craft stories like, "They must dislike me," or "They're angry with me." But these narratives are seldom rooted in truth. It's usually just people projecting their own stresses and insecurities. Begin to view your emotional energy as a precious currency. Ask yourself, would you waste 100 on a pointless argument online? Of course not. Apply the same principle to your peace. Don't invest it in trivial conflicts or negativity. By choosing not to react, you teach your brain to prioritize peace. You'll start to notice fewer emotional disturbances. Individuals who thrive on drama will either adjust to your new energy or drift away. They might label you as distant or aloof, but what they're really noticing is that they no longer have free access to your emotional well-being. Achieving true calm is like building muscle. It grows stronger with practice. Here's how you can start. Step 1. Let minor annoyances slide. If someone cuts in line, let them. Step 2. Don't respond to every criticism. Someone corrects you? Let it go without a comeback. Each moment of restraint is a step towards emotional strength. Ultimately, calmness is about mastering how you respond to the world, not controlling the world itself. Chaos will happen, but it doesn't have to disrupt your peace. Next time you find your patience tested, just pause, take a deep breath, and smile. Remember, you have far more significant places to invest your energy. Now, I'm curious, what's one scenario that consistently disrupts your calm? Share it in the comments, and let's find strategies to keep your cool together. And if this discussion resonates with you, don't forget to subscribe for more insights on protecting your focus and maintaining your peace.